Model 2017 Ford Transit Custom L2 2.0 TDCi Crew Cab Limited ULEZ Spares OR Repairs Body, black, crew cab mileage, 134949 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. 6-seater crew cab long wheelbase nice simple fix for somebody that knows what they're doing features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, heavy-duty tow bar, 3-bar roof rack EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.